Balak mo ba pumunta ng Palawan and discover the beauty of Puerto Princesa? Today is your lucky day. You're in the right video. O kaya naman, matagal ka nang pabalik-balik ng Palawan at naisip mo, what if magkaroon ako ng isang investment property o kaya retirement lot sa Puerto Princesa? Good news! Nandito ako para tulungan ka. Once again, I'm your one call away realtor, Alex Reyes. At today, andito tayo sa isang residential project natin malapit sa Puerto Princesa International Airport. Sobrang ganda ng location nito dahil strategically located ito. So marami tayong major establishments na kayang i-access, so very accessible siya. At the same time is maraming future developments infrastructures. Bukod sa tourist destination ito, Palawan is often described as a paradise on earth. And it lives up to the title with its stunning natural beauty. At ito, yung mga lugar na pwede nating mapuntahan dito sa Palawan. Meron tayong underground river, Honda Bay, Bakers Hill, Nagtabon Beach, Tubataha Reefs Natural Park, Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center, at yung other island dito sa Palawan, meron tayong Port Barton, El Nido, Coron, Balabac, at marami pang iba na hidden island. At ang ating available na mga lot cuts dito sa East Bay, Puerto Princesa ay nag-i-start sa 116 square meters, 120 square meters, 132 square meters, 140 square meters, and 194 square meters. Up to 500 square meters. Kung gusto natin mas bigger lot cut, pwede tayo mag-combine lots. Either magkatabi or magkatalikuran. Pwedeng dalawa, tatlo, or apat. Depende po sa atin. At alam nyo ba na meron tayong 4 pocket parks dito sa ating community. Ganon ka-generous ang ating developer na si Philinvest Land Inc. Meron tayong fitness park, kids play park, pet park, and Zen Garden. Doon tayo pwede gumawa ng mga activities or yung mga ginagawa natin every morning at every afternoon. At meron tayong house and lot packages dito sa East Bay. Meron tayong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with contemporary house design and quality finishes. Ang mga model houses natin dito ay meron tayong bungalow house, tulip model, and Irish model. Tara, puntahan natin. Get yours now! 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 180 square meters. At nakalimutan ko sabihin, meron tayong commercial lot dito sa East Bay, starting from 254 square meters, 263 square meters, 271 square meters, 291 square meters, and 300 square meters. So, kung naghahanap ka ng pang-business mo or commercial building, perfect na perfect itong commercial lot natin dito dahil along the highway lang siya. Okay? Ipaglalaban ko. Walnut Bungalow House, 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and with provision for second floor. 120 square meters. Perfect na perfect para sa mga magplanong magre-retire dahil di na kayo mag-aakyat baba. So, ito na yung house and lot na para sa inyo. Get yours today habang may promo tayo. Tulip model, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 190 square meters. Meron siyang open space na pwede nating extension for another carport. Ang price range ng ating mga house and lot dito from bungalow house is nasa 5.5 at yung Irish naman nasa 7 million at yung tulip model naman ay nasa 9 million. Sa mga lot naman natin, starting from 2.1 million to 3.3 million. Depende kung inner lot or corner lot. At nagkakaiba yung prices sa kung morning sun ito, afternoon sun, or nasa main road, secondary road, or malapit sa clubhouse and amenity area. So, once again, I'm your friendly and one call away realtor, Alex Reyes. At magkita-kita tayo sa next real estate vlog ko. See you and bye-bye!